Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got asked quite a bit on how to take off the strut bar on the 370Z. Apparently there's not many videos or anything about how to take off the strut bar. I just got a detail on my car and I just want to detail the engine bay. So I'll make a quick video on how to take off the strut bar because I have gotten asked quite a bit. Oh, my brake pads came in. Alright, cool. So next video will be brake pad change as well. But yeah, let's get to the strut bar removal. Alright, sweet. So first of all, you're just gonna pop the hood, obviously, and then there's bolts on the other side of the strut bar and also underneath like the plastic. I'll show you guys what to do. It's these three nuts here over the other side as well, and you're gonna have to take off this plastic trim here because there's two other bolts, I'm pretty sure. And then after that, it just lifts off, and then yeah, that's the strut bar done. And now it's the exact same on the other side, and I'll show you guys how to take off the trim and the two other bolts just under the windshield. To take off this, you need to take off like these plastic clips. There was two here. So first, it's gonna take off, and then you're gonna just take this out. And there. Just unclips, all the clips are just around there. You don't have to take off or any other parts. It's just this part that goes in there. There's these two nuts there that you have to take off. Everything's off. Now the strut bar should just lift off, just like that. And that's how you take off the strut bar. It's not that hard. There's 3, 6, there's eight like nuts and bolts. It's pretty simple. That's strut bar there. So that's how you take off the strut bar of the 370Z. As you can tell, it's not that difficult. It's just a two little bolts, two little nuts underneath the plastic bit that's hidden. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward as you can tell. And yeah, cheers for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.